Greetings in the name of Yahuwah and his son Yahusha Mashiach. My name is Malek Shalomo. Today is the 16th of October 2024. It's 9:44 a.m. Eastern Time. And right now I'm in a live trade, simulated trading on Bitcoin using the Bookmap Orderflow. So I'm just going to narrate this trade here. And let me just point out what's the setup here. So this is my entry right here. You can see that dash line right there at just above 67,800. So this is an upper deviation. This is a second upper deviation. This dash yellow line right here. This is from the RT8 session open. Yes, the RT8 session, right, at 9:30 a.m. This is Camarilla R3. Let's just see here, Camarilla R3 is in an overlapping higher value relationship, right? So it's moderately bullish. And right now, let me just trail this stop down here a little bit. So we had this retest right here of, let me see if I can make this a little bigger. Right, so this was the prior retest of VWAP. VWAP is that solid yellow line. So I'm looking for it to stay. I'm trailing above VWAP. If you see my trailing is coming down here just above VWAP. This blue line here, light blue line, is VPOC. This solid blue royal blue line here is yesterday's VPOC. You can see that label there as well. So this heavy liquidity here, we're just above that, or we're actually just above yesterday's VPOC for the target right here. So I think I want to trail my stop just above this level here because price is looking like it wants to pull back too much. Right, so trail my stop down to approximately 67,354, just above this structure right here. And we're trying to target yesterday's VPOC. So let me just open this up a little bit, stretch that out. Right, so they just took me out here, right? So that's what I secured right there. So let's see, what's the take profit? Take profit is 4,900, right? So hold on one second. Right, so we came back and we retested VWAP. We pushed above VWAP a little bit. I think they're gonna clear some stops here just above VWAP. Probably continue to yesterday's VPOC as well. So let me just go over the setup again. Right, you can see my entry here. My entry was at 6781 excuse me, 67,810, and this was the breakdown of, let's see here, this is the first upper deviation. See, that's going across there. All right, so it was a breakdown of that level. We rejected Camarilla R3 and the +2 VWAP. Right, you see I'm highlighting it there. This is Camarilla R3 here at 67,930. So it was a rejection of that there. That's a black sun strategy. Camarilla overlapping higher value relationship. If it's gonna continue bullish, we're supposed to push above. This is how I know that I should take a short, right? If we're opening bullish close to the Camarilla R3 level, right? We're opening bullish right here, almost at the level. We sell off first, we came down here, we push back up. This push back up is supposed to push above Camarilla R3. We're supposed to do something like this, retest Camarilla R3, and then go. That's a bullish setup, right? Now, if it doesn't do that, we get a sell-off, a retest, failure, no follow-through, then we're gonna get this, right? Retest, 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 and now we're probably gonna get another follow-through to yesterday's VPOC probably. But we're retesting VWAP here, so I could have trailed my stop just above VWAP and probably would have got clipped here. You can see those orders. They're pushing above VWAP to clip off short orders, right? So any orders just above, like how I'm doing here, trailing VWAP, that's what they came up there to take out, right? So that's why I decided to kind of lower my stop just above this prior structure right here, this prior high, and just come out of the trade before they even get to VWAP. So secured that 4,900. Again, this is simulated trading and just reading the order flow and executing my Black Sun strategy. So again, like I said in my previous video, just practicing my order flow trading and the way I read Bookmap, keeping it sharp. So when I get back my Rhythmic and Global Plus subscription, I'll be able to trade futures and still have a sharp mind of how to read the order flow. So keeping the order flow practice, the practice of reading the order flow on Bitcoin sharp, and just trying to stay nimble in this game, because you could get rusty real quick. So I'm trying to see here if there's any reason or setup for me to take another trade. Right, so basically it's looking like a Camarilla S3 reversal could take place. We come down here. This is a -3 VWAP from the ET8 session. This is -3 VWAP from the London session, and yeah, this is -3 VWAP from the RT8 session. So this is lining up with the TC pivot. TC pivot is the top central pivot, which is in a higher value relationship. So we could get some buyers here just after we break down yesterday's VPOC. See, we also have this heavy liquidity here, so we could touch that and bounce, and it could set up like a Black Sun strategy. I mean, a Bowling Green strategy where we get this reversal here off of -2 VWAP and take us back up to probably +1 VWAP. Alright, yo, so it's Malek Shalomo. That was my Black Sun strategy. Camarilla R3 +1 VWAP breakdown. Took that down to, let's see here, just below VWAP at 67,350. And yeah, that was the trade, man. Alright, yo, blessings.